How's it going, everybody? This is I'm on Zombies Are Fun here, and I like to cover my Zombies plugin. Now, I know most of you have been really excited for the full release of this plugin, and I'm sorry to say I don't have that today, but I would like to go over what I have currently and what is planned for the future. Now, what I do have is some of the basic commands set up, so let's just take a look at the interface. So I'll type /z and it says /zombies or /zom, I think, yeah, any three of those. And it'll give you this Call of Duty Zombies by me, Skip the Moon, and What the Deuce. Zombies help for a list of commands, so let's do ZH for short. And then we have the Zombies help windows. There's admin, users, signs, and info. So let's go ahead and look at the admin stuff. So here we go. We can create an arena, ZCA, can remove an arena, ZRA, Z, set spectate, which I don't have set up yet, set warp, not set up yet, ZH admin 2 for page 2. You can set a point or for the arena and then call it P1 or P2. You can kick a player from an arena. You can force start or you can force stop. You can also set the spawn, sets a zombie spawn for the given arena, and this is required for an arena, and you have to set one zombie spawn or more for the game to work. So we can also do CH admin 4, and oh, there's no page 4, I'm at 3. You can also enable and disable arenas. So let's go ahead and look at some other stuff. Let's go ahead and look at some of the user commands. Now we have zombies join, or you can also specify an arena. If you just put zombies join, it puts you in the next available arena. You can also do /zombies leave, or ZL. You know, ZJ will join a game. You can also do Z leaderboards, which is not set up yet, but the command does work. Notice nothing's happening. It doesn't say like no unknown command, but it's just not doing anything. So stats should say unknown command, but it's fine. It's got to set that up. So let's go ahead and look at the signs. So we can go ahead and put a sign down. The first line has to be zombies. The signs I'm pretty sure you've seen before, but let's go ahead and look at them. So let's do box. And the price of the box is set in the config. Mine is 100 XP. So let's go ahead and take a look at my XP down here. I'll go ahead and buy a box, and then I get a random weapon. The random weapons are also defined in the config, if I could find that. So you'll notice here I have the random box. Here's the random IDs. You can specify your own random weapon box IDs. In the future, I will plan on setting up so you can set a list of IDs for a certain random weapon box, like make your own custom random weapon box. I don't know. So I can just keep right-clicking this, getting a whole bunch of random weapons, and it's costing me XP. If you notice down here, it's going down. And one other thing is you can keep buying, and even if you have full inventory, let's buy one more, full inventory, I can keep buying them still. One thing you don't want to worry about, but other than that, it's pretty cool. There, one diamond sword, awesome. Let's go ahead and look at another sign. So we can also place guns, so, you know, zombies, gun, 276 was the ID, the price. So diamond sword, the price is about, you know, let's just do 500 for a diamond sword. And then I can get the ID 276 for 500. And since it says ID, and it's going to look weird, you might want to do this. Like, diamond sword, you know, or you could do diamond sword below. And then you can get diamond sword there, and it gives you diamond sword. The ID can be anything. You know, zombies, gun. Let's give myself some wood for 5. Buy some whoops. Just, you know, buy some wood. Keep adding to the stack. Ding, 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 ding. Alright. You can also get perks. Now, perks are kind of interesting because you have to program them yourself, but I have a few predefined programming perks. Now, you can, up here we have Juggernog, which is just regenerations in effect. Duration is forever, infinitely. Amplifier's 1. You have stamina up. It's just speed for unlimited time until you die, basically. Or get down to quick revive. It should heal you. I would actually set that to 1 second. I don't know why it's that. So it just heals you and then you're done. Double tap is fast digging, so it kind of affects the way you hit. You can hit faster. Super killer is just increased damage. PhD flopper, no fall damage, which I am still setting up. There is no such thing as no fall damage, but I'm parsing out to see if it is no fall damage, and if it isn't, then I'll just make sure the player has no fall damage. You also have night vision for night vision, so let's do night vision, I guess, and Juggernog. So I can do zombies, perk, Juggernog, 2,500 points. Didn't place the sign. Must be instead of an arena or something. It might be. Try this again. zombies, perk, Juggernog, 2,500 points, and there it is. Now we can right click that, and I've got Juggernog. Juggernog has been given, and I have regeneration for a limited time. So, zombies, night vision, perk, night vision, 2,500, and now I'll buy that, and I have night vision, and now look, night vision for unlimited amount of time. Interesting, isn't it? So now, that is how you set that up. Well, just you can define as many as you want. And let's go ahead and take a look at some other things. So, ch, let's do info this time. So, now the plugin was inspired by Call of Duty Zombies. It was programmed by me, and it's in a multi-arena zombies plugin with super cool COD features. See help info 2. Here's some testers we have right here who have actually came in and helped me out a little bit. We have the contributors who have just been people who have been commenting and sending me Skype requests and who are really active in the plugin and have actually checked out this server and have been willing to give me some advice and what else, you know. Now, let's go ahead and check out a few more things, like creating an arena. I'll do this really fast. So first of all, let's go over looking at arenas. So I can do LA, I think that works. There we go. So if I do ZLA or Z list, C list, arenas, it's an arena list, so I have the arena called L, and it has 0 players and it's waiting still. So if I do ZJ for join, I have joined the game, so there's a total of 1 player in the game, and I can go ahead and put my stuff on. Now I have my armor on, and once there are 2 players or more, then it should say the game is starting soon, and we will wait for 60 seconds, and then it'll start. The amount of players it requires to start a game, or pre-start a game, is defined as the config. Default is 1, and you can also set the amount of seconds until the game starts. So now, let's just, well, I guess that's all I can do without 2 people, because I haven't set up the force start yet. But other than that, what it does is it'll essentially start counting down, and it'll say like 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then it'll say go, and it'll teleport you back to this teleporting location over here, and it'll start spawning zombies. And what I'm planning to do is have with any zombie spawns, wait to see if all the zombies are dead in the arena. If they all are, it'll say new round. Or you can also define something in the config saying, oh, like max amount of time until next round. So even if the players cannot find all the zombies, it just starts a new round anyways. And I'm working on doing some really smart spawning. So you can essentially put spawns, and I have something that finds the closest spawn to the players, or player, and then what it'll do is it'll find the spawn closest to that person, it'll give the spawn back, and it'll spawn the zombies nearest you. So if you have a huge arena, like transit, can be as big as you want, basically. It'll just kind of look in your range to see, okay, are there spawns in my range? If not, is there spawn in a range times 2, times 3, and it goes on, till times 10 about, and then it just spawns them wherever in any random spawn location. If it's a huge map and you have like 2 spawns, which is a problem. But other than that, it should work out just fine. And this is how I'm doing so far in the plugin development. And be sure to rate, subscribe, and comment on this video. Give me some info or other stuff you want to put in. And that should be all. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you find this plugin awesome when it's been released. Bye.